Ever felt your video was dragging and just needed more energy? Hi, I'm Anees, a content creator and creative director working with brands and businesses every day. Today I will show you how to control and change video speed online using Adobe Express right from your browser. Speeding up videos is perfect for small and medium businesses. It makes tutorials snappy, shows full process in seconds, and adds excitement to your brand content. With Adobe Express as your video speed controller, you can keep customers hooked. Here I will use the video speed increaser to bring this clip to 2x speed. It's simple, clean, and no plugins needed. Upload your video. Select the clip on the timeline. Go to speed and drag the slider up. You can speed it at 1.5x or 2x speed. Adjust sound or mute audio if needed, and export in just one click. Whether you are a beauty brand, bakery, or fitness coach, a video speed changer can highlight your full process in just seconds, keeping your content engaging and on trend. Once you have sped up your layout, you can save the project and reuse it. Just drop in new clips for your new product launch. Adobe Express doubles as your video speed editor, keeping everything consistent and on brand. Use your fast-paced edits across reels, shorts, web banners, anywhere you want to increase video speed and capture attention. So if you ever wanted to speed up the video online, Adobe Express makes it effortless. Try it now and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creator tips. Thank you.